The simple future refers to a time after the present and expresses facts or certainties. In this case, there is no place for attitude. Here we have some examples of how the simple future is used, like for future events, decisions or spontaneous ideas, the will for doing activity, to give orders or to propose or invite something, like it will snow this weekend, they will repair my TV tomorrow, will you marry me? And here we have the structure of the simple future. This is like similar to the simple past and the simple present. We use the subject, then we use the auxiliary will, and then the infinitive without to. So we have I, then will, and then go. Or instead of will, we can use shall. So these two words are the ones that will indicate if we are using the simple future. On the negative form, we have the subject, the will, with the not or the contraction won't, and the verb. So we have they won't see. And in the interrogative form, we have the same structure. We use first will, then the subject, and then the verb. So we have will she ask? Or in the interrogative negative, we have won't, that it's the contraction of will and not, and the subject and the verb. Won't they try? And we have some contractions that are still using it for the simple future. We have I'll, will, you'll, he'll, she'll, they'll, and won't. And here we have some examples of how we use the verb to see on the simple future. We use I will see, I won't see, will I see, or won't I see. Or we will see, we won't see, will we see, or won't we see. When we use the subject I or we sometimes use the auxiliary shall. This is like for giving affirmative and interrogative constructions. So it's more frequently used the auxiliary will, but we can also use shall. And here we have some examples with a traduction to understand better this structure and this tense. So we have they will show you the way to the market. Here we use the subject, the auxiliary, and the verb, and then the complement. So as we can see, here are the examples and the ways that we can use the simple future.